Most promoters believe IPO readiness start when you appoint bankers. By that time, it's already too late. Hi, I am Abhijit Jain, Associate Partner in Audit and Assurance at Diwan PN Chopra & Company. Today, I want to share what auditors are actually looking for before your DRHP is filed and why most companies get blindsided. In my experience, companies don't fail in IPOs because of weak business fundamentals. They fail because they are not audit ready. When a company files its DRHP, auditors don't just check numbers, they evaluate credibility. And most companies struggle with the same issues. Financials that don't hold up to scrutiny, weak internal controls, poor structure related party transactions, and incomplete documentation. That is the biggest shock for promoters. What we have been doing for years don't pass IPO level audit standards. Let me simplify what auditors really focus on before DRHP filing. First, clean restated financials. Not just audit numbers, but restated, consistent and SEBI compliant. Even small inconsistency can delay the entire IPO. Second, robust internal controls. Auditor test whether your processes can prevent errors and fraud. Undocumented controls are a red flag. Third, revenue recognition and accounting policy. The most common issue, especially in startups and high growth companies. Aggressive or inconsistent policies can lead to qualifications. Fourth, related party transactions. All promoter driven transactions must be transparent, at arm's length and properly disclosed. Fifth, documentations and audit trails. If it's not documented, it does not exist for the auditor. Missing agreements or approvals means major delays. Here is the hard truth. IPO audit is not an extension of statutory audit. It's a completely different level of scrutiny, and fixing issues mid-process becomes expensive, time-consuming, and sometimes deal-breaking. Smart companies are now preparing 12 to 18 months in advance, cleaning up financials, strengthening internal controls, and aligning accounting policies. This not only speeds up IPO timelines, it builds investor confidence. If you are planning an IPO or even thinking about it in the next couple of years, start with audit readiness today. Because investors don't just invest in growth, they invest in governance and credibility. And start with being audit ready. And one more thing, an IPO is not just a fundraising event, it's a public test of your financial discipline. Thank you.